So here's the situation. After repairing the engine's cooling system, specifically replacing the heat exchanger gaskets, we ended up with an oil-contaminated coolant reservoir. Engine oil had been leaking into the coolant, leaving a greasy buildup inside the tank. Today, we're pulling that reservoir out, cleaning it, and putting everything back together. Now, the removal itself isn't technically difficult, but it does require patience. You'll need to work around a few other components to actually get access to the reservoir. Let me walk you through exactly what I did. First thing, remove the fuel filter. Once that's out of the way, take off the fuel filter bracket as well. This opens up the workspace significantly and gives you room to maneuver. Next, disconnect the hose clamps. There's a clamp on the coolant supply line, and this one's actually pretty well designed. It's a spring-loaded clip that snaps and locks into place. Clean, simple, no drama there. Now here's something important that a lot of DIY guides skip over. You need to pull the ABS module out of its rubber grommets. Don't fully disconnect it, just free it up. This gives you extra movement and flexibility in a very tight space, and you'll thank yourself for doing it. After that, unplug the coolant level sensor. It's a simple electrical connector. Just release the tab and it comes right off. Now, the fun part, pulling the reservoir out. This is where you have to work for it. The tank doesn't just slide straight up. You'll be rotating it, lifting, angling, searching for that one specific position where it'll finally clear everything around it. There's no perfect trick here. You just have to feel it out. And yeah, in some spots, you'll need to pull with some real force. Don't be shy about it. The tank is out once you find the right angle and commit. With the reservoir out, we gave it a thorough cleaning. Removed all the oil residue and buildup from the inside. Not a fun job, but necessary if you want your cooling system running clean. Reinstallation follows the exact same sequence in reverse. Getting the tank back in requires the same rotating and pressing motion. You're essentially doing the removal process backwards. At certain points, you'll need to gently push the ABS module aside again to create clearance. Take your time, work the angles, and the reservoir will seat right back into position. Once it's locked in, reconnect the coolant line clamp, plug the level sensor back in, reinstall the fuel filter bracket, drop the fuel filter back in, and you're done. The job takes time, not because it's complicated, but because you're working in close quarters with limited access. If you rush it, you risk cracking a fitting or fighting the tank for longer than necessary. Go slow, stay methodical, and it's very manageable for a home mechanic. If you want to see the full heat exchanger gasket repair that made this job necessary in the first place, along with other maintenance work on this Porsche Cayenne diesel, check out the other videos on the channel. Everything's documented there.